Good morning, everyone. Wonderful good morning. How is everybody doing? Well, officially, the kill zone started, but we're gonna have some news today. Hello, best DJ in town. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Trader G, good morning. Good to see you guys. All right. At least one applause. Come on, we deserve it, right? Welcome everybody to the stream. Let's see what's going on. First of all, let me check something on the mini. Looking for imbalances, liquidity voids, stuff like that. On the 5-minute order blocks as well. There is something here at 13. Let me check it. So we're going to have some news. And let's see, 13. Yeah. A few liquidity voids here and there. So, if you guys want to go aggressive, we already find some possible opportunities. Actually, I was looking for a drop to get closer to the Asia low, which could be happening. Let me check how it. Okay, nothing. There's a small fair value gap here, but only on the micro. Barely poked into that buy side. Not a big deal. Could be going for sell side liquidity down there. There is a small volume imbalance at 16 on the micro. Nothing special. If you look at the 1 hour, pretty much ranging. Everybody's gonna wait for the news, I guess. Jó reggelt kívánok. Good morning, Treff. Good to see you. So it pretty much seems like that we could be seeing some drop, maybe to the 13. No retracement so far. I've put a limit order just in case, where I put it at 32.75 on the micro. You know, as a probe trade. Might retrace back up there and could see some drops. I like to start the day a little bit aggressive. Maybe with a small trade, but I'm not fielding anything, so just waiting. On the other hand, as I said, we're just ranging. There is a small tiny liquidity void on the micro, not that significant, so not that important. It's like 10 points down, so I don't think that's a big deal. If it goes down there, maybe, well, maybe we can see some further drop. But what is ES doing? ES is going down too. Maybe looking to take out these levels. We have a bullish order block on ES down at 50.30. So yeah, could be seeing a drop. Should be taking out this void at 16.75. As I said, if anyone wants to go for a quick 10 points, this was a good well, was not a picture perfect maximum for a scalp trade. And we have relative equal highs up there. Good morning now. So far, we are just trying to find out what could be happening. We have manufacturing PMIs all over the place all day. So that's interesting. David, good morning. Good to see you. How's everybody? Any trades? We're at 27. Might be looking to go down to, I don't know. On the 5-minute, it seems like a market structure shift, pushing higher. Almost like a bullish breaker. To the left, we have the new day opening gap. Small liquidity voids, swing low in Asia. Yeah, I'm undecided too. Nothing special so far, I think. Everything is pretty much calm. Nothing's going on. Looking at the 15-minute right now. Is there anything interesting? But nothing on the upside. Yesterday, those levels were pretty much taken out that we were talking about. So, yeah, just watching. Just watching, guys. Technically, nothing to see. No direction. Almost flat. This line here is a tiny liquidity void. Just to keep in mind. Have you ever used smart money concept indicator in TradingView? I list all FVG order blocks and high lows. Yes, I tried it. It's actually in my favorites. Where is it? It's in my favorites, but not because, there you go, Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo. And maybe something else. So I tried it, but there's so many gaps and so many everything on the chart. It got me confused. And I just stopped using it because if I put it on, look at this. I just don't know what the hell is going on here. And for me, this is not a market structure shift with the wick. This is not a shift. This is a shift, but this is not. This is also not a shift in my book. This is not a shift. Maybe these levels are good, but I don't. So I don't really use it, but I checked it out. Yeah. It's called Smart Money Concepts. Smart Money Concept SMC by Lux Algo. A lot of people currently using it. Almost 40,000 people. Seems like it. Smart Money Concepts SMC Lux Algo. Maybe that's the one he's referring to. Smart Money Concepts Lux Algo. But there's so many. Good morning, Daniel. So many lines there. And it also counts the wick as a structure shift, which I don't count as a structure shift. So could be heading higher here. Try to take the equal highs up there. Who knows? There is some connection error on my end with Apex. Or maybe okay, it's fine now. So just a waiting game. Most likely gonna have to wait until London Open to see anything special right now. No trades yet. Oh, sorry, yeah, I actually left a limit order. Oh yeah, I just got filled, but I think I'm gonna delete that. I was hoping for a break lower, but I might going to delete this trade. Wanted to go with it as a probe trade. Only one single trade. Let me show you right here. I have no take profit. I'm actually looking to close this because there's no direction for now. Not for me. So yeah, I just closed it. I don't like this ranging, and I put this on earlier. So no trade, I'm flat. I'll just close this one. Zero movement. Yeah, Joey. Yeah. Of course it can go down. I have this line here because there is a small liquidity void down there. Those are not very strong, but you know, it's down like 15, 16 points. So I'm just waiting. I'm flat. I had a limit order. I forgot to delete that, but I have no orders right now. Nothing. But yesterday, despite the fact that I was down $130, I ended up the day above like something like $112 on the funded account, which for me is good. So Ali Kaka, good morning. I want to swing today down 600 then back up 600. Wow, that was a roller coaster. Hi Tom, do you had payout with MyFundedFutures? No, not yet. Not yet. No payout. I only had payout with TOPSTEP as of now. Working on it. I have this. This is not a funded account. This is an evaluation up to almost 52K with MyFundedFutures. Trying to get there. My flagship account, which was at MyFundedFutures, has been blown up. I blown it. The evaluation. I was pretty much down about it, and yeah, what can I say? So I'm currently funded with BULENOX and Apex and TOPSTEP, and not yet with MyFundedFutures, unfortunately. I really wanted to do that. I'm still working on it, but I mean, not a big deal. I'm gonna get there. I just wanted to be quite in the opposite way. I wanted to get funded with MyFundedFutures as soon as possible, but Justin Wright, thank you for dropping by. Good night. Have a good one. I've blown many. Yeah. Yeah, me too, by the way. So in the past couple of months, definitely happened. There's a video with chat where they denied 21k payout on expert accounts. So better make little payouts with them. I heard about that, and I was reading about that they denied the payout, and it was, they said it was due to because they were managing multiple accounts at the same household, and the guy was managing accounts in the same household. And the guy was opening accounts for his brother too. So he had multiple accounts. And that's why he got denied. At least that's what they said. Oh, Daniel, sorry to hear. So that issue has been spreading on Discord and elsewhere. But they cleared the air. Like, the guy was managing multiple accounts on different names on the same household, because MyFundedFutures lets you to manage like 3, and of course he was managing more. Of course, we don't know the real truth, but that's what they said. Look at that, should have stayed in that trade. It's going down. But I think that's the case. So, no issue with them. Just saying. TOPSTEP denied payouts, by the way. I know that. Who else? And also Apex. Apex denied payouts. I talked about some guys, not now, in the past months on Discord. TOPSTEP denied payouts. Apex denied payouts. Just saying. I know a guy on my Discord sent me his messages, his account statement, and he got denied. Not too much, only a few $1,000s. So these are happening. Anyway. It happens. Yeah, MyFundedFutures has no rules on minimum trading days. So the payout periods are technically, as far as I know at MyFundedFutures, although I didn't have payout with them yet, are at every 14 days, if I know it correctly. But you don't have to trade like for 10 days like in Apex. You can trade, if you make a super huge day, then you can just wait for the payout, and that's it. No consistency rule on expert, so you can do whatever. If you have an extremely good day, make a few $1,000s, you can just sit back and wait for the payout. That's how simple. Good morning, Marco. So that's how simple it is. I don't have any issues with MyFundedFutures. I know guys who taken payouts from them, and so no problem with that. Every one of the prop firms has their own rules, and of course they have to protect the money, which is their interest of business. If they see someone who is quote-unquote gaming the system by opening multiple accounts and maybe even hedging them, then of course. Yes, but to request a small amount, it's the safest. Yeah, that's why I always say, by the way, not just with MyFundedFutures, any of these prop firms, I don't care which prop firm. If you reach the payout threshold And if you reach, I'm not saying the minimum because I'm aiming for the $1,000 minimum payout, but take the payout. So of course you can do whatever you want, but you know, aiming to build up $20,000 or whatever, that's good, but do it later. At your first steps, take the first payout. Take the first available payout as soon as possible. That's mandatory. That's like a rule. That has to be a rule. If you reach your first payout level, take it. Take the money out. You have to get your investment back, and then continue to build up more. And even though this is how I did in TOPSTEP, I took the first available payout and the next 3 won too. The first available time when I could take out the payout, and first 3 times, I took everything out, everything. And then I started to build more. So I was disconnected from them from different reasons. I kept sending them pictures of a shirt on smoking a cigar. What? Oh, hold on. New here. Is BULENOX legit, and have you received payouts? BULENOX is legit as far as I know. They are registered with NFA. They are doing business since a while. I don't know since how long, but they're a smaller company, that's for sure. Some rumors, this is not confirmed with BULENOX, but some rumors on Discord and on forums that BULENOX owners are somehow connected to Apex owners. So basically somehow they owned by Apex, or they're helping them out or something. This is not confirmed. This is just a rumor, but they paid out, not me, but Methodical Man took like 3 payouts in this month from BULENOX. And to be fair, I took $200 in payout as affiliate commission. So you just to let you guys know, if they have money or they pay out, it's not a trading account payout, I know, but BULENOX paid me $200 as an affiliate. So they paid me. They paid Methodical Man multiple times. So I think they're pretty much okay. Their support is very good so far. No issues. Very easy to use the platform, the website. I mean, it's not super... I mean, the best website and the dashboard is at MyFundedFutures, I think. But still, BULENOX is great. No problem with them. That's why I promote them too. Right? So, no issue. So let's see. I was disconnected from them for a different reason. Yeah, smoking cigar. Hey, Dominic, doing great. I had request to pay us with Apex. 3 minutes later, the accounts were blown, and I did get the money. There you go. So Apex is legit as well. No issue. So these are the ones you see up here. I think they are super legit, but they do deny payouts if a trader do something nasty or sketchy, you know. Of course, I would do the same if I would be owning a prop firm and if someone is having multiple accounts with the same household, with his friend's name or whatever, I would deny it too, because my goal as a prop firm owner is to protect more and more capital to stay in the company and only pay out the ones who did it legitly. Legit, if there's a word like that. Waking up for work today. Oh, I see, Dominic. The annoying part with this prop firm is that when we fail, it doesn't matter how they collect our money. When we pass and reach payouts, they go to investing our trades. Yes, I know, but it doesn't matter which prop firm we're talking about. TOPSTEP is reviewing your account. Apex is reviewing. MyFundedFutures, everyone, of course. As I said, prop firms, one of their business goals, it's their business interest to protect as much capital as they can, not because they don't really want to pay out the ones who are trading normally, but of course it's their interest. That's why, I mean, I'm not hating these prop firms, but do not forget one thing, and I'm very grateful that they are existing, and anyway, but don't forget that their business model is not really about that they want to help out the traders. They don't really want to. They want to make money on failed challenges. Never forget that. These prop firms are not for you, are not standing beside you and, you know, saying that, oh, don't worry, we're gonna be here for you, we're gonna be helping you make a lot of money, and we want you to succeed. That's all marketing bullshit. I'm sorry. No matter which prop firm. I don't hate them. I think they're an excellent vehicle for trading, but don't get mesmerized with all their marketing things. They want your money. They want more people to fail. They know they have an edge. Never ever trade account you are waiting. Yeah, by the way, Alikaka, never trade an account that you're waiting on payout. That's also good advice from now. Yeah, I would never. I never did before with TOPSTEP. If I requested a payout, I did not touch the account. I forget it. I'm not doing anything with the account. Stingy Kong. It's a business. Yeah. BULENOX is only rhythmic. I have Mac, can't trade without. Well, the only way you can do that if you install a Windows emulator. Somebody told me that they install. I don't know how Macs are working. I never had one, but they said they install a Windows emulator. I don't know, and that's how they install Quant Tower. You have to figure it out. Apex had hard rules 30% and 20% flip days. If you don't break this, you get your money. Yeah, blah blah blah. Yeah, Naz is here. You guys even traders just talk. All right, Naz. Point taken. Point taken. Let's just go to a commercial now. We're gonna wait with a commercial, or maybe not. You know what? We can do a commercial. Why not? We're waiting for a trade, actually, to happen. But I think everybody's going to wait for the numbers to come out. After the open, I think it's sorry, not for you. It's 3:15 Eastern Standard Time. 3:15. The numbers. So yeah, we're going to wait. And welcome everyone to the stream again. If you can please drop a like, that would be awesome. So please drop those likes and support the channel. It's free to do. And subscribe if you haven't already, as we're here every day. And it's pretty much sideways. This line is a small tiny liquidity void down there at 16. There was a fair value gap here that got actually taken. I got a limit order here, but I closed it in a tiny profit because I think we're just gonna range until the market open. So ranging market, guys. So until we're waiting, I'm going to insert an ad. If you see an ad, just watch it. Maybe you can click on it, but here's the ad. So let's wait. We're just waiting. Now look at that. 23. Might be spiking down to that liquidity void. Should have taken this trade, right? I got filled here, and my stop was here. 1 to 2 should be down there, but I'm not in a trade. This was just an observation. All right. Sure, going down there, it seems like very close. It's very, very close. So never forget that how these companies are working. But for now, MyFundedFutures has a really awesome promotion. You can get a $150,000 account with a $50 upfront cost fee. So that's like a really good deal. There's a scaling plan though, so you can only start with 3 minis. And there's a consistency rule, but I already explained in my recent videos. You can check it on my channel. The recent one on it's called like you must know about this about MyFundedFutures, that the starter account is actually not that bad. I mean, the expert account is the best of the best, of course, but if you want to go smaller size and you want to build it up step by step, actually the starter account has everything you need, everything. So it has everything you want. Erkan, good morning. Yeah, good luck to you too and everyone today. Is scalping prohibited for a few ticks? Yeah, I mean, I think you have to leave a trade open for at least 8 or 10 seconds. And you have to, hold on, how did they were talking about this in Discord. So if you just open a trade for 2 seconds, that they don't like it. You can do whatever on your evaluation account, you can do it, but on the funded account, if you trade on like 2 seconds, and I mean not for 2 seconds, and on Nasdaq they said that, for example, on Nasdaq you have to do at least 5 to 6 points, or you can hold the trade for more than 8 or 10 seconds, and if it's not moving in the right way, so there's a gray area, you can close it even with 2 or 3 points of profit. So it's a little bit of a gray area there, but they don't like scalping. And I got the same information from Apex too, that they don't like high frequency trading or algorithms that puts you into a trade and with a highly bigger lot size and just takes you out in 2 seconds with a few ticks. So the same was at Apex too. Yeah, funded account, West Side. Yeah. Yeah, there you go, Naz. I wasn't reading that, but you said it correctly. So try to aim for at least 8 or 10 seconds minimum. If you're scalping, try to hold a trade for at least 10 seconds and try to do at least a few ticks, like 4 ticks is 1 point on NQ. Am I correct? I'm still sleepy. So try to go for at least 3 to 5 points minimum. At least 4 to 5. But honestly, if you're trading with minis, well, maybe it can work. But if you go with micros, I don't really go for just a few ticks. It's not my style, so I'm not worried about this thing at all. So yeah, Westside funded account. Yeah. What about BULENOX? No word about it. It's not in their rules. So far I have not asked the support about this issue because I don't trade like that, so it doesn't bother me at all. But no word from BULENOX about scalping. You can raise a support ticket, and I think they definitely going to answer you. But I never asked it because I don't trade like that, so it doesn't matter to me. They want 20 pips, 20 ticks, right? 20 ticks. 20 ticks is like 5 points. All right. Okay, so 5 points. On Nasdaq, 5 points. I mean, yes, I know there are strategies that when you're going for high frequency trading, but that's a different style. I try trading like that, you will lose. Yeah, exactly. So you can try to go for a few ticks with a huge lot size, but the commissions are going to eat you up, just saying. So howdy, Trader Call, how you doing? Good to see you. So the commissions are going to eat your account anyways, and going for like 3 to 4 points on Nasdaq with minis, it's useless, I think. I mean, maybe some guys do it, good for them. I don't like to do that. Now we had a structure shift here on the 1 minute, still inside the range. Are we gonna go for the relative equal highs? I don't know, not sure. I'm glad that TOPSTEP figured out, by the way, the micro to mini conversion. Although they should have done it on Rhythmic too, not just TOPSTEP X or Trade Await. I mean, they should have done it on Trade Await and Rhythmic, but it's only on TOPSTEP X for now. Will I have a problem on payout if I trade micro Nasdaq and sometimes Nasdaq, but I get consistent 200? No, you won't. Bao, no, you should not be. It depends on how you trade. As I said, if you go for just a few ticks in less than a few seconds, I'm not saying you will, but you know. You ready for yeah. I think today he's not going to do that because the weather is not so good right now. It's very windy and it could rain any moment, and the weather is not good. So I think today he is not going to be around. Look at this. We might be going for the equal highs up there. 42 maybe. Have you used TOPSTEP X? TOPSTEP X shows as the same price. I never used TOPSTEP X. Not that I'm saying it's a bad platform or anything. I just connect everything through Rhythmic Trader or Rhythmic data. So I use Quant Tower and Rhythmic. So, and I have this account here by accident. We trade away with MyFundedFutures, this evaluation account. I have this one, but otherwise 99% everything is connected through Rhythmic on my end with Quant Tower. So I'm not really interested trading TOPSTEP X, not because I think it's bad. I guess it's a good platform so far as I heard, but you're not able to copy trade between multiple prop firms. I heard that it still has some issues, some minor bugs in the software, which every new software has. Still has some minor bugs, but I don't care about it because I trade with Quant Tower. So, and you cannot, of course, because it's their own platform, you cannot copy trade with other prop firms with them. So that's why I hope that the micro mini conversion is going to be happening with the other platforms too. I sure like to see that. Everyone here is worrying about if the prop firm will pay out. First getting, yeah, of course, yeah. Yesterday I was talking to someone here in my country, and she's really nice. She's a lady. She's trading very nice, and she's also worried a lot about the tax. And I told her that trust me, forget about the tax for right now. First get to a payout, and even if you get the payout, get like 3 or 4 payouts, and after that start to worry about tax, or not worry about tax, but you know, you don't have to think about tax issues right now, because and I see this on other people too, like traders are worrying about the payouts. I mean, how do they pay out? And also new traders are worrying about the consistency rule. The consistency rule, I think it's better to worry about if you're an experienced trader. Then you maybe need an expert account or no consistency rule. But if you're starting out, don't worry about consistency. Don't worry about the tax. Don't worry about the payout method and stuff like that. Just first get to the payout. Get to that profit level, and you should be okay. You will have plenty of time to worry about that after it. I use TOPSTEP X is okay. Has all futures. There you go. So Erkan uses it. I never tried it, but so far the people who used it, they said TOPSTEP X is pretty good. I don't doubt it. I think it must be good. And at least they fixed the micro mini conversion there. So yeah, I suppose it should be good. Sam R. I used to worry about a lot of things even before single payout from any prop firm. Yeah, I mean, it's normal. It's a habit. It's a reflex. Oh, you're forced to use it because of 4.5 cent account. Yeah. Do they still have that promo? I haven't checked it. If they still have the promo for 4.5 cents, or it's over. I haven't checked it really with TOPSTEP yet, or recently. For TOPSTEP X, do they still have that promo? I guess not. It was like only for a select 1,000 users or something. The first 1,000 users. Not sure. It was only, okay, only 1 day on TOPSTEP TV. There you go. Okay. Okay, seems like we're gonna go for that relative equal highs here. Nothing so far here. Do I have any orders? No. Oh, I have Apex disconnected. Why? Okay. But anyway, if somebody wants to register with TOPSTEP, you can still get an additional 20% from the current price that you have to register with the new account. And your first purchase is going to have a 20% discount and a 50% discount on your first reset. So we have a link for that. It was the commercial. It was the commercial. No trades, as I said. Still waiting. I'm gonna get a T, I think. I have 2 Apex accounts. I don't know why, but it's not connecting right now. I have a 25K and a 50K funded. But I'm also having evaluation accounts. The ones I'm going to trade here on stream. So yesterday I was only trading the BULENOX account on stream, but I'm going to do one BULENOX account and one Apex account on stream. Hopefully more in the future, but these are going to be funded accounts that I share on the recap videos. Look at that, we're going up a little bit. You did a giveaway yesterday during... No, I didn't. But let's see. Maybe I'll do the giveaway. I told us we're gonna have a giveaway, so I will on Friday, maybe. I might going to do... And it's going to be cash prize giveaway. So giveaways are coming, guys. So make sure to subscribe. And I'll do giveaway again, and it's going to be cash, so not account activation code or anything like that. You can buy anything you want on it, I don't care. You don't have to buy accounts, but it's most likely going to be a $50 cash prize, which is enough for a TOPSTEP account. It's enough for a MyFundedFutures account. Yeah, Methodical Man is doing great with payouts now. So I wrote him the other day, and it was it's awesome to see him. I pretty much stepped 2 steps back in March by blowing up my accounts, so that was a little bit frustrating, but at least now I got some funded accounts, and I've quote-unquote done with the evaluation phase. So I didn't really want to journal the evaluation accounts for the next 2 months, so I'm going to journal the funded accounts. That's why I'm going to share 2 funded accounts on stream and in the recap videos. Of course, it's going to take some time. I told you guys, I think ideally the way I trade with small steps, I'm expecting a payout in June, so not even in next month, May. I need more time. I think I'm expecting payout in June. Yeah, that's one of my goals. That's one of my goals. So what was I want to say? Yeah, so we're gonna do giveaway, but it's going to be a cash prize. You can do whatever you want with it. And there's going to be $50, and for BULENOX and Apex, I might do a $20 and a $35 payout. Sorry, cash prize, but only, so no crypto. I'm not doing crypto because converting it and sending through crypto, for example, a $30 cash prize or $35 cash prize would cost at least $30 to send it through crypto. I'm not doing that. So I have to send money from my card to convert it to whatever coin and then send it over. It's just too expensive to send it. It's not worth it. So the only way I'm gonna do the giveaway is through PayPal or debit card deposit or international bank wire. These are the 3 ones I will be able to do it. And make sure, I mean, last time it seems like I wasn't able to do it for the winners because their card was registered in Pakistan. And I didn't know that MasterCard is not sending direct deposit to Pakistan cards. So, I don't know. Worst case scenario is going to be an international bank wire transfer. That's how it's going to happen. Yeah. So I wanted to send the winners the prize, and it would have been a $20 prize so they can buy a BULENOX account, but I sent it in USD coin, and for them to be able to transfer it back to their own wallet, you know, they have to pay like $10 or something. It's super expensive, so I sent them $30 to be able them to be sent it back to their account. And I also had to pay an extra $11. So the $20 cash prize on my end was $42. So I'm not doing crypto. Instead, I would give more BULENOX account to as PayPal or debit card deposit. So no crypto. That's it. If you don't have PayPal, debit card, or international bank account, I can't do it. Maybe if I ask MyFundedFutures that I send them $50 and they can issue the account for you. I don't know. I don't know. But we'll do it. I wish there was a way to transfer prop firm accounts. Hey Camille, miss you too. Waiting for the market open, guys. It's still like almost 8 minutes. I hate crypto. You pay so yeah. It was so expensive to send that small amount of money. I'm not going to do crypto cash prize. All right, I'm gonna get some tea and I'll be right back. Push the like button and subscribe. The market is about to open. I'll be right back. All right, I'm here. I am here. But I'm going to eat some breakfast, and I don't want you guys to see me how I'm eating this sandwich. So I'm going to turn the camera on, off. There you go. József, hello, jó reggel. Good morning, everyone. Just eating. You can still see me. Oh no. You got the move. Nice. Congratulations. Mm-hmm. I know you're kidding. Good morning, Laura. Good to see you. I'm sorry, I'm just finishing my sandwich, and I don't want you guys to be discussed how I'm eating this sandwich. I have one more here, so I'll be finishing up here before London Open. It's a good sandwich. So it seems like we're moving higher. But don't forget that we have the news in 15 minutes, so I guess we still have to wait after the London Open, just saying. Gaurav, hey there, good to see you. I'm here, I'm just eating my sandwich, and I'll be right be with you guys. We have news in 15 minutes. French flash manufacturing PMI, then 30-minute German PMI. We have UK PMI. So, yeah. Oh, there you go. You have your magic 8 ball. Alright. Finished up eating. Market is open. Let's see what's happening. Morning, Masha Patty. I guess market is going to wait for that news anyway. We have buy side at 71. Looks good. If you guys want to go aggressive, you can go for that. Seems like it wants to go. Well, as far as I can tell, I mean, this 71 is pretty much in the crosshair right now. No retracement so far and no gaps, but I feel like in the next couple of minutes they can go for that 71, right? If you guys want to go for a scalp, it's on you. You can go for it. It's 10 points. It's actually doable. I think it will go up there, right? This candle is gonna close 73.25. Yeah, this is the micro. Maybe the other one is different. Yeah, on the mini it's 73. So there you go, it's going. Wants to take it out. Good for a quick scalp if you guys want to do it before the news. Just be careful. I might even jump in, who knows, for a quick scalp. Don't know. All right. Repricing this small gap here. And yeah, could be going for the 71 maybe. Or lower. If it wants to take it out. One mini. What time? The news are out in 12 minutes or so, something like that. So be careful with the scalps, whatever you do. But we have some buy side at 71, 73 actually on the mini. On the micro, it's 71, 75. But make sure to have a stop at 1-to-1 risk to reward. So if you entered here, I'm not in the trade. I'm not in any trade. Then this area for a TP at 71.50. Stop loss around 42. You have a good chance that it should pop higher. Take that out. Damien, good morning. Yeah. We have some news. I'm not in a trade yet. Just saying. As you see, no orders. Nothing. I want to see what's happening. I did this many times before when I tried to be a good scalper but never really managed to be a good one. And it was hovering there before the news, almost got there, news came out and boom, went down. And I said, no, never more. Like in a video game, which one was that? I think it was Painkiller. There was a video game like 25 years ago. It's called Painkiller, and it was basically like Doom or something like that. And the guy said, "Never more." And when they wanted to send him to hell, he said, "Never more." All right. It's not USD news. Does it matter? Not that much, but it can shake the European index futures. The European stock market a little bit. And the European stock market can have some ripples to Nasdaq or towards Nasdaq. So I would say it can have some minor effect towards Nasdaq. So yeah, some Euro, Germany, and UK news moves. Yeah. So not US related, but definitely has a ripple effect to Nasdaq. At least the European was almost the only market player right now, so it can for sure. Yeah, for now, in the European markets, it definitely has some effect. Not a huge one like if we were in the US session with the US news, but some, you know. That's why this day is a little bit interesting. So just waiting. Just waiting, just waiting. So I heard that the funded trader is back online. I would wonder if they can kick the ball again after they shut down operations. Yeah. I wish I could tell you otherwise what's happening here, but there's like no movement. Look at the 5-minute. The 5-minute is really looking good for a continuation as a liquidity run to take out that buy side. Look at that. It can go. It can definitely go. They got bailed out by some rich guy. Really? Or is it just some gossip around? I'll never do TFT. Yeah. So Tom, can you recap please what happened till now? Well, not too much. We were pretty much sideways in the whole. I mean, since the midnight open, and the only thing that happened is that we had a minor buy side here, relative equal highs here and here. So we break through, and now we're just maybe waiting to get that buy side liquidity at 71. On the 15-minute, you see we have a sell side at 292. Nothing special. Yoreggelt, good morning, Zoltan. Sell side at 292 and another sell side at 285. We have a bullish order block which I really like on the 15 minutes. So I'm gonna put this here. I do like this bullish order block, you know, guys. I'm definitely using these as what should I put? Yeah, I'm gonna rewrite this. Bullish order block, 15-minute. So I do like that down there. These are good targets. If price would like to drop, these are always good targets. I like them. Otherwise, nothing. So this is the 15-minute. Good idea. Someone told me yesterday to put on this indicator to the corner, so it will be easier for you guys to see what the hell I'm doing, because I'm hovering all around the charts. So now you will be able to see much better than the watermark in the background at what time frame I am. So that's all. We have an order block, consolidation, next buy side at 71. Nothing specific up there. One small tiny fair value gap at 94. On the 1 hour, there's actually, that's a good level because buy side liquidity, I'm gonna write that, 1 hour fair value gap as well. Make it a little smaller. I can do that. Let's make it a little smaller. Large, normal. There. Tom questioning Quant Tower. Is it possible to save markets as favorites? Let's get to my nerves to scroll through the ticker list to switch on the NQ. Or trade the NQ, so other markets. Yeah, so you can do that by saving workspace, I think. Actually, I never really did that. I'm using Quant Tower only since like 3 months or something, 4 months maybe. It's somewhere in the workspaces and templates. You can make a template, but that's not, the template is only for the charting. Hold on, the news just came out. We'll get back to that, but there is like workspace, yeah, so you can do, I'm not sure if you can see that. Hold on. There's, if you click on the right on the top, you can create workspaces, and that should be memorizing it. Anyway, I'll be a buyer 340. I'll do 2 contracts 340. 340. Actually, not a bad idea, but and this was a nice, and I do like the idea. Actually, I might would be a buyer from here to take out the 71. How about that? I might be a buyer from this area. You know what? I don't know. Should I be a buyer from this area? Are we going for the 71s? Okay, I bought it. Maybe I shouldn't have, based on this gap. And I do like this bearish pin bar up there. Those I like to be taken out. And I like the fact that this is a 1 hour fair value gap. So I'm in the trade, but only with a very small position. And let's see, my risk is gonna be down somewhere at 36-ish. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm in drawdown a little bit. So I just bought it here. Let me show you. So this is my trade, only with 2 micros, looking for the 31 to be broken as a liquidity run. We have a 1 hour fair value gap up there, so if I can get it, I would be happy. If not, then who knows. At least I connected it. I'll do 1 contract now and I'll add 1 later if it goes. Yeah, be careful, because although we see some spikes, this can go the opposite way too. Super easy. Super easy. So that's why I'm only doing it with a small position. I just like to see the 71, but mainly the 1 hour fair value gap. Actually, let me put the fair value gap here on the 1 hour, so we will see it a little bit better of what's happening. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Okay, so that is what I'm looking for. Otherwise, I don't know. This is on the micro. On the mini, we have it 2 points higher. We have it 2 points higher, but I'm exiting at 71. There's a small imbalance here, so now it comes down to reprice it, as it should. As it should, and yeah, I don't like this move. 232.45 was the better place to hedge position long, but this one should be just fine if you give it. Yeah, hopefully. The range is not so good for my stop loss, but what can I do? Maybe just slightly I'm gonna modify it if I have to, if I see, but I'm gonna wait it out. Let's not forget that we have that 1 hour gap up there, almost reached for it. Might try once more. If not, then we'll see. All right. So guys, until we're waiting, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you could support the stream, use my links and codes. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps to keep the stream alive. A few dollars here and there can add up together, and Thank you so much for considering. Go, Tom, go. Let's make it less stressful, okay? Alright, don't worry. I know you guys are deaf now. Who knows? Seen this many times. It tried to go crypto panda. I don't know. I mean, I've seen this many times. It wanted to go for the TP, but then it reversed just before that. So I don't know. Still, let's wait what happens if it wants to reach for that. I'm in a long position, yes. I'm in a long position. On the funded account, this is a funded account, so only with 2 micros. I have hot herbal tea, so I'm in good to smoke, so I'm pretty stress-free, Tom. Alright, Naz. X-Files sounds bit. Man, if I put some X-Files, I'm gonna get copyright strike again. That's why I stopped with the background music too, but many of you guys said that you guys didn't really like the music anyway, so no more background music. Actually, I can listen to background music. So plus 500, you're out. Congratulations, Camille. What was the music? The one I got copyright strike. It was when there is somebody is tipping with the super chat. There was the money song. I don't even know what the hell it's called. It actually came with the overlay. So anyway. And I immediately got the message from YouTube. Well, it just looks good, but we're still not at the end, guys. So still need to see what the heck is gonna happen here. I'm a little impatient, but anyway. Money for Abba. Camille just got here and already robbed the market. Let's go. It's not over yet, guys. You guys saw this happen last week too, like at least 2 times. We were 2 ticks away from take profit and I ended up in a stop loss. So it's not celebration yet, unfortunately. But the buy side was so close. Look at that. This is how you do it. Put your money where your mouth is and full send it. Oh man, already down. Look at this. Oh no. Oh no. There was a small liquidity void there as well. Let me check the mini. No liquidity void there, but there was some on the micro. Yeah. Could have been a nice trade, but if it can take out that wick up there, then this could be turning out bad. I'm checking the 5-minute. Checky. The thing I'm leaving this trade on for now is because of that 1 hour fair value gap up there. It's a pretty good place for liquidity. And just a quick check. There are some orders at 75. Not too much on the book map. Not that I really care, but don't like how this goes. My TP was 69.50. Oh my god, 69.50. Jesus. Consistency rule sucks. Now I have to stop trading on my 25k. You're up. Buy a new account or trade on a different one. That's how you deal with consistency rule, you know. No break-even stops allowed either, Tom, because that is your edge, right? Yes, exactly. All in or I lose. So win or lose. Those are the two outcomes in my edge. Exactly, Naz. Win or lose. I told you guys I would rather take 3 stop losses than 1 break-even trade. So win or lose. Those are the things. That is so stupid, right? That is so stupid. I'm a little bit frustrated to take the trade manually at this level. My finger is on the close button. There are orders sitting up there. F it, I took it. I don't care. I took the trade there. I don't care. I have to make some profits on this funded account, so I took it. Sue me, everyone. I took the trade. I took it manually. I do not care. This was a funded account. Original TP was at 71.75. I am going to put a line there just to make myself miserable when it gets there. All right, so that was my original take profit. Oh my god. Yeah, because there's news. I forgot to say that. We were right ahead of news. I was watching the timer and I decided no way I'm going to take it. So I took it. Bro, smart. You know, when Naz is saying I'm smart, that's actually a real compliment. I take that actually very seriously. So now, let me cry over everyone's shoulder while I see my original take profit being taken at 71, alright? So, but if this one is going down to the dumpster, I'm going to send a prayer to Naz. And, oh my god, maybe I did the right decision. No, I had to close it. News was almost there, so it spiked higher. I had to take it. Hey, Gamecraft, how you doing? Didn't see you there. Good to see you, Gamecraft. How nowadays things are going? Oh no, look at that. It's going back to my original TP. Dark Cloud, good to see you. 3:30, 3:40 a.m. is not a period you want to be in the market for. I respectfully disagree, but oh yeah, maybe for the news, right? What else we have? We have the 10. Okay, 10. Okay, so in about 1 hour we have some British UK news. Look at this price action. It's going to take my original TP. Let me get back here. So we see the buy side liquidity at 71. Looking for that CB up there to be taken. I do think that that's a strong level, especially because price is gravitating towards this. And just to make everything sure, oh, that's not this one. I am going to put a magnet here, and that's going to help us even more. Look at this. Oops, no. There. Look at that. The bigger the magnet I put there, the price is going there. You see? It's that simple. It's just, I saw the spike before the news and I said, F it, if it dumps 20 points, I want to take what I can. And it actually dumped. So, but, you know. I'm not in the trade anymore, Gamecraft. I exited, I closed it with a decent profit. About 1.8 reward, so it was okay for me. 18 PA with Apex, nice, and some payout. Congratulations, Gamecraft. Yes, it never likes your TP. It never likes it. The market makers. It's the same issue that with ICT, with respect to ICT. The market makers do see my take profit, and I think they do everything in their power to. I had micros. I only trade with micros. This is a funded account, and I only trade micros on the funded account. No minis. Well, I'm not saying no minis. Never say never, but I only take one mini if I see like a super A+ scalp setup, maybe. But only for scalp, and if I really keep it tight and watch it very closely, maybe then one mini. But otherwise, always go with a micro on my fundeds. Still a long way to go, by the way. So still a long way to go, but we're working on it. So guys, if you haven't pushed the like button, please push the like. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. There's going to be a giveaway, most likely on Friday, I think. It's going to be cash prize. You can buy whatever you want on it. 50k evaluations. I'm going to try to make it at least $50 so you can buy one at MyFundedFutures, TOPSTEP, or whatever you want. You can just buy a meal or whatever, but I can only do no crypto, only PayPal, debit card deposit, or international bank wire deposit, nothing else. These are the three options, so keep that in mind. Buying the lows here will print. I'm not buying anything here. I'm definitely not buying here. After this drop, I don't like it. I don't like that. Thank you, Gamecraft. So yeah, waiting patiently waiting. What is ES doing? ES actually took out this high, so that's an SMT, guys. You guys are all SMT traders. Why didn't you tell me? This is an SMT. I'm not trading SMT, by the way, but guys. SMT stand for is I don't know. Oh, hold on. So SMT stands for Snacks Make Things, or Silly Monkey Theater, or Supernova Mashed Taters, or Sluts Making Trouble. Shock Monkeys Tango, something like that. One of those, or Seriously Misplaced Tofu, maybe something like that, or Spaghetti Monster Tickle. That's what SMT stands for. Or you can use the SMT for Stock Market Tango, or Speculative Mood Twist, or Swing Money Tango. Strategic. The best one is Strategic Market Twerking. Strategic Market Twerking. Yeah. Or Sudden Market Turbulence. I think that's the best one. Sudden Market Turbulence. That's what we're gonna use it for. Smart Money Tool. Oh. Smart Money Tool. There you go. Or the best one, Superbly Managed Trades. All right. Just fooling around, guys, you know. All right, all right. Let's go. I don't know why I took it off. I just felt like, you know, for now I'm okay without RSI. Not that I hate it or anything. Let me delete the magnet here. Oh god, I was for now it was a good decisions that I took down that position. And now it's going down. What the hell? It's going down. What a drop. Suddenly. Let's check the 5-minute. Okay, possible areas of interest. Nothing. Is it going to take out that gap at 40? Sorry, that swing low at 43. Right there. It's only 5 points away. Seems like it. Small fair value gap here. Takes it 51 and goes down to 43, maybe even 42. The risk to reward is not so good, and there was not a real structure shift. It's not an A+ short, but you guys are welcome to do whatever you like. Seems like Arin, hey there. Seems like a distribution following that manipulation after that accumulation phase. Might be. The only question on my end, why didn't it go all the way up to that 1 hour gap? There's plenty of liquidity there. There has to be. Hold on. Yeah, so there has to be some liquidity up there above 71, 72. Why didn't it go there? It's not. I mean, it's not a rule that it has to test it, but it's definitely strange. I was looking on the bookmap for a little bit. I saw that there was quite a lot of orders here when price was in this area, but since we got down, it's dried up a little bit. But funky double toppy, yeah. They wanted to trap more bears. Could be a bear trap, guys. It can actually be. So the VWAP mean average needs to catch up. What? The VWAP mean average needs to catch up, and I bet the RSI printed. Yeah, it could be. I don't even have the RSI on. I only have your favorite, the stochastic momentum index, hidden down there. But for now, 53 should be going to 71. Are we? If you go to 1 hour chart, you can see the head and shoulders. I think it will go higher. Let's check the I'm gonna check it on the mini because there's no, I'm gonna check it actually here. So 1 hour, 1 hour head and shoulders. Is this inverted head and shoulders? I mean, it could be. What time is for your right? For my right? In my time, it's 9:47, if that's what you're asking. 9:47 a.m. And oh, this is the Eastern Standard Time. Oh, I misread it. You, not your. Yeah, sorry. I can't read. I was so focusing on the chart. So inverse head and shoulders, maybe. Could be. Could be. Absolutely. Yeah. No, I can't read. You can't type, I can't read. It's a perfect match. It could push lower with the right shoulder. Maybe. But it definitely seems like that this 1 hour gap might be still in play. There is an order block here. Okay, look at that. The move is happening again, up to 71. When does the trailing stops on Apex 50k? I think it stops at 2600 or 2500. 26 or 25. Let me check. Just a second. Just a second, because now I'm confused. $2,500. $2,500. Yeah. Yeah, $2,500. I think I just read the website. It says 2,500. Okay. Not a clear shift, but definitely aiming once more for 71. It seems like it. Let's see. No problem. Go along 15 contracts. No way, man. What time frame are you on? We are on the 1 minute time frame. There is a small indicator on the right corner down there that will always let you know. Right now this is the 1 minute, but if I switch to the 5, you will see that this is the 5 minute time frame. Maybe it's too small. Should I make it bigger? Was it Crypto Panda, or I don't know, said it's too small or too big? I can put it larger. So now you can see I'm on a 5 minute. Tamimi was the one who actually recommended it. So thank you for that. It's a good tool actually, especially for streaming. Sorry, Crypto Panda. I have to make sure that the viewers know what time frame. And the special thanks really goes to Tamimi. I saw this indicator on other streamers, and I didn't know what the hell is going on. How did they put that? But now I'm glad I found it. So this is the 5 minute now. Although there is a watermark in the background, maybe it's a little harder to see. I don't want to make it brighter because it would disturb me. But this way, I think it's easier. You should be on M2 since you... So you can focus more, or try M5. Yeah, well, you know, that's a possibility, of course. I do like to use the M1 with the M5 together. So all right. So guys, make sure to check out the discounts. Some very good sales going on still. You can get an additional 20% from TOPSTEP from the current price if you click on the link and register for a new account, and grab your starter accounts from MyFundedFutures. Only 50 bucks for it, guys, and really good conditions on the starters. And the activation fee is also on a superb price. And it's lifetime activation fee. So whenever you pass the account, for example, the 50K account's activation fee is only $50. So if you pass it in 6 months, you still have to pay only $50. But whatever. Make sure to stack up a few because it's the best deal so far. Also, cheap upfront costs with Apex, lifetime 80%. And BULENOX 90%, but only for the first month. So keep that in mind. That was the commercial. There's gonna be more. The monthly renewal is the same price for MyFundedFutures. So if you grab one for $50, even at 150K, the monthly fee stays at $50. So lifetime. Good question. Lifetime $50 until you pass the account. Any size of starter account. Yes, it's bigger now. Can't see it. Thanks. That's what she said. Displacement here. We're gonna go into 71, so could have gone there myself, but I'm happy with the result. Closed it early, but missed around 5 points. Don't care. It could have gone the opposite way too. But should be tapping into the 71, 75. So basically on the mini up to the 73 area. And if this closes like this, there's going to be a small gap. If you guys want to scalp it, I am not going to. You can enter here for a quick scalp for 10 points if it retraces back down there. So this new candle right now, this one, if it retraces back down, boom, you're in 10 points up there. Or it will go without you, which it will. He needs y'all to be the test dummies. What test dummies? I'm not saying I don't want you guys to be test dummies. I just said if you guys want to scalp it for 10 points, go for it. I'm not taking this trade. It's too late for me anyways, but I have no orders on. So I'm flat, just waiting. All right. $65 should be tapping into that. Still have some time from the kill zone, so. $69 to $71, wow. There you go, tapped into it. All right, so the fair value gap has been taken officially. On the 1 hour. Next level, the only one that's reasonable should be at 448, but before that, nothing really interesting. Maybe on the 5 minute before 400. So I'm not looking to go long from here. I have no targets. The only thing I'm waiting is maybe to go short. Take out some levels down there. Maybe go back down to 300. Tom, your English is good enough for you to move to US. Maybe. I mean, maybe I can talk English, but I don't know. I mean, like, I like the US, but I don't know if I could. I don't know. I have some friends in Florida, Sarasota. There is a Hungarian community there, and we used to do some emails, and they always say I should visit them, but yeah, I don't like this price action too. Next level could be to the 400s, but I'm not going to jump into a long, that's for sure. So that's the third time it's trying to reach that liquidity area. Do you use momentum oscillator to catch a divergence on that key area as an additional confirmation to getting short from there? No, I don't, Boris. I don't. I mean, sometimes I look at it to see what's going on, but I don't use it right now. I'm just looking for market structure shift on the candles, and that's it. Looking for significant areas of liquidity in terms of fair value gaps and swing lows, swing highs, you know, and those are the levels. Order blocks also, for example, I can show you there is an order block here to the left as good target. So this one I like really much. That's a bullish order block. And order blocks for me, I told this many times, but order blocks are functioning as targets to me. I always look them as possible targets where price like to revisit sooner or later. So in this area, this was the last significant fair value gap that was up here. The next target would be, I mean, significant target is 448, but I'm not jumping in to go long. All right. I'm not tiring you with that, but anyway. I'm just saying that I'm still going to target that 15-minute order block if I see a real clean structure shift. I would like to go with that. I think I talk too much, right? My friends are saying I have a bad habit that I keep repeating myself all the time, and I know it's a bad habit. And I'm not sure I can ever change that. It's burnt into my brain, so I keep repeating my sentences, and that's not good. 17,348, then 17,344 maybe. Supplies, yeah, that could be. I'm looking lower. I want to see a drop. There's a line here that you guys see, and it's around 316. Small liquidity void, but anyway, would be a good target. Tom, your talk is very calming for sure. It's calming. You should hear me when I yell. I know a guy, he's working at the local radio, and he told me that, hey Tom, you know, you should come join us and read the news or do something, because we can set you up with a great microphone and you have that voice to read the news, you know. And I said, no way, I'm not doing that. Or you should be telling stories or something like that. I said, no. I'm not gonna read those. But I can do like tune in to 19.fm anyway. I'm not gonna do that. I can't. The AI is taking over anyway the space real soon. I think in about a few years or 10 years, We might be hearing AIs in the news talking, you know, not even real humans. Okay. All right. Would nice to see a power 3 now, so that up mover there. Yeah, I 100% agree. And just as you said it, we might be seeing that. Look at this, beautiful, beautiful close like this. Okay, I do like this move, guys. Get ready to rumble. I do like this move very much. Never mind. Never mind. See you on New York session. Thank you, Crypto Panda, for dropping by. Have a good one. Cheers for later. Repriced this immediately. Left with a small gap here. If I put a fib tool, this is just around optimal trade entry level, guys. It couldn't really get any better than this by the books of ICT. So anybody is jumping in? Let me know. Let me know if anyone is jumping in, guys. I'm going to put a limit order. It's gonna be a small trade. Okay. I think I did. I mean, I entered. Very tight stop. I'm gonna give it a little more room. And I want to see it. So not a good risk to reward, I can tell you that. And a very tight stop. When I jumped into a trade right here. Tight stop. Doesn't look good. Might close it. Only risking like $50 something on this. Oh man, I might have to close it, guys. I might have to close it down. Small shift. Not a huge one, but I thought we're gonna go down to this gap. Reprice it lower. There are some good targets down there. The move was made, so I thought, why not? On the 1 hour, it looked good. This is for downside. I'm gonna get taken out here. Yeah, I shorted, but it's a much smaller position with a tight stop. I might even close it manually if I have to, but I don't know what to do with it. As you see, my target is not so far. I was just hoping for a drop, a continuation down, especially on the on the 5-minute, there is a void. No, I can't. I might have to. This one is so bullish, it's gonna go higher. This is gonna go higher. It's too bullish. May end up still going down, but may take. Yeah. Don't really like this trade for now, to be honest. So I'm thinking that I might have to close it. Where is the trade? Where is the... You guys can't see it, right? Where did it go? Oh, of course I messed it up. Anyway, it's gonna take me anyway. There, I'm out. It was looking good for a little while, but what can I say? I messed up my chart. What the hell? It was looking good. Okay. Okay, something like this. We're going for the 400. Look at this. There is a fair value gap at 400, I think. Not sure. But I think there is. Is it gonna go for that? Feels like it. I mean, it's not that far, but I don't know. Let me check. Is it on the is it at 94 maybe? I think it is. Anyway. It's in a 15-minute gap, but I think it's gonna go for the 400. Whatever. It wants those 400s, definitely. It was close. It was very close to that whole number of 400. But is there anything up there? No. Not really. So, it was a small trade. It can still continue. But if it turns around, look at this. One more spike and it gets through 400. That's for sure. I mean, in the London kill zone, it's pretty much possible. The chances are high. But I am not in a trade. Very close. I told you, Tom, 4 a.m. long was going to print. Yeah. Exactly. It happened exactly like that. Interesting though, it didn't came down there to rebalance those small gaps. It did go to 400 finally. So really at this point, it's a huge question what's gonna happen. Anyway, I'm still up. Made some profit, although I lost the last trade. So this is the BULENOX funded account. One started with $112. I was up over 200, but I managed to get back down to 181. It's still profit, but just a small profit. So maybe New York session will give something more. As far as I can tell, I'm not jumping to a long. Although the 448 is pretty close, but I'm not sure I want to jump into that. It's too far. Compared that we are in a London session, we are pretty much in a daily premium array, so I just want to see this one go down, but maybe it's only going to happen later. What's the news? We're gonna have, okay, so we're gonna have the pound news in 10 minutes. Sorry, UK news, of course. And after that today, the next one is only going to be at 9:45. Yeah, it's 4:20. So, hey, thank you for the subscription. Yeah, Scott. Welcome on the channel. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Maybe it wants to break above the 400. We don't know that. Hovering around the 400 level here. and somebody pulled the plug on Nasdaq. So oh guys, we're just waiting here. But the news is gonna come out real soon. Until then, grab your discounts. As usual, you know. Oops. The calculator. News are coming out in less than 5 minutes. Red Baron personal pizza destroyed Tom, and I can still go for more. What? Red Baron personal pizza. What the hell is that? What are you talking about, Naz? I wish I could have some pizza right now. I wish. I'm telling you, this diet is killing me. Not literally, but uh, all right. Just waiting, just Waiting. You should have background music, bro. Like RDGD trader. I don't know him. But hey, I was actually I can listen to some background music. I was just lazy to connect through my virtual audio cable. So then you guys don't hear it, but I can still hear the music. Actually, I think I can do that. I'm gonna do that for the next stream. And then it's not gonna be on the VOD. I'm just curious to see if we have any movements after this UK news in about 1 minute. But for now, nothing. There is some that is copyright free. Yeah, I tried it. I tried the copyright free track list, but it works like this. Like I played a copyright free track list, but then if a creator who created the music decides that he or she wants to take credit for the music, then they just put it in there, and you know, for example, in a few months after they just decide to put that they want to get credit, say they put it in the algorithm or whatever, that this is copyright music, and then YouTube is going to send me an email that, hey, we detected that one of your VODs has copyright music. And so I said, all right, you know what, I don't care about these details, because all these creators are changing their mind about copyright. So I said no. And then I'm not going to waste my time with searching for who is making copyright or copyright free. Although there is this guy Harris Heller with Stream Beats. He's very honest, and he's really not doing any change on his copyrights, so I can play that. But after a few times, I think my brain is going to melt away by listening to the same exact music. So it would be just melting. It would kill my brain totally. It's good music, yeah, for occasional streams, but my brain would just hearing the same exact music every single day. I would listen to some online radio or something, and yeah, I don't know the details, man. I don't know. There must be some details how this can work, but you know, maybe. Red day, green day trader, yeah. Oh, look at this move. Look at this. We have a drop here. What was the news? So it was worse than no. Services. A little bit worse than it should have been. Now this is a shift, a much cleaner shift, and I like this one. I do like this one. How about we could see this candle, if it would not reprice this completely, could give a nice short entry. But it's not going to. It's not going to. It's just not going to. Oh, look at that. 73. 20 points drop. OTE as 85. Or is at 85. I can put that in. Maybe there. Go for 2. Actually, this is doable. Go for 2 micros at 85. I can do this. Actually, I can do this. Okay, I put a sell limit at 85 for now. There is a small liquidity void on the micro, might retrace back up there. Let's see if we can get it. Let me show you. So that's my entry. Or limit entry. No stop loss yet, nothing. If it spikes higher, I might be willing to go short on this. And go for some lows. I would really like that. Come on. I want to see 85 triggered. It's not gonna. I don't care. If it dumps down, then it has to be the way like this. I could have entered on this gap, I know. I wanted to see it go to the optimal entry. It's not filled yet, so no stop yet, but my stop is going to be above 401 or something like that. If this trade is gonna get filled. But yeah, it's holding that spot. I think I missed my entry. My entry was, or should have been, actually here. This could have been the perfect entry. I mean, maybe not the perfect, but if this one is gonna drop, it should be dropping like 25 points at least. Now I just don't like the trade anymore. It could be a market maker sell model too. Gonna wait a little bit in case if it would go up the stairs. Short 50.26 on ES. Let's check it. I mean, yeah, that's your target, I guess, right? Okay. So, yeah, no retracing up to that level. I thought that that void is gonna get at least, you know, tapped with the wick. That's why I choose that as an entry. But it seems like the train is gonna leave the station, as I used to say it. Come on. I just need one wick, like boom. Go up there, reprice it, and then continue lower. That's all. It's 10 points. One wick. I'm not in the short yet. It's just a limit order. It's just a limit order. Oh, you're one. Okay, okay. You're holding. Okay. Short NQ 392. See what we've got. 392. Awesome, man. Awesome, awesome. I'm still waiting for this to be tapped. Doesn't seem like I'm gonna be filled into this trade. So guys, if you haven't pushed it already, please push the like button. It helps out the stream. Subscribe to the channel and grab some of these discounts. They're very good. MyFundedFutures, $50 for all the starter accounts and very cheap activation fee until the end of the month. TOPSTEP, additional 20% from the current price if you register for a new account through my link. And Apex, 80% lifetime for the account. Very good price for those accounts. And BULENOX, 90% discount, but only for the option 1 accounts and only for 1 month. So don't forget that. All right. I don't like how it goes, slips lower. And the thing is that as time goes, I don't like this slopey retracement up there. Or yeah, so not really the thing I like. I wanted to see a sharp, steep repricing and then go. But this one, this is just too slow. I don't like it. I'm gonna give this trade or this limit order like 3 more minutes and then I'm gonna delete this. Yeah, exactly, Inky. Trade what you see. So that's why I'm giving like around 3 minutes into this one to reprice that 85 level. but if it can't, I'm just gonna delete that order. On the 5-minute, there is a fair value gap between 82 and 88. So we have a chance for it to reprice, but there is no market structure shift there. Let's see if it will get it. Actually, that would be optimal trade entry for real. It's not doing it yet, and not just that, it's actually a bullish entry here, maybe to continue higher. So I'm deleting my order. Yeah, I'm deleting my limit order. I don't like the contradicting signals, and we're getting to the end of the kill zone. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, Damien, yeah. No, I'm not gonna force it. I ended up in a small profit for the London session. Let's see what the New York will give us. That's it for the London stream, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for all the likes and the subscriptions. I'll be back in the New York session. I love you all, and support the stream by checking my links and grabbing some discount accounts. And guys, this was an interesting session. I did enjoy it, but you know, I think we just have to wait for the New York kill zone, right? So thanks again for watching. It was a great one. See you guys soon. Have a great evening, morning, night until then, and see you guys later. Thanks so much again for watching. Cheers, everyone.